How's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use tree supports in Elegoo Slicer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to add my model as an example to our plate right here. Right after, you just want to navigate through the support area. Make sure that the enable support is selected. And for type, you then want to simply select tree automatic or tree manual. Now it doesn't really matter, but in my case, I'm going to use tree manual right here. So in that way, we could manually print or put our supports. So I'm going to click on my model and we are going to use the support painting. So in that way, we have control on where the supports will basically appear. So in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and print the outer part of my model. And right after that, let's now click on the slice plate option. And as you can see from here, it will basically print or use the tree supports that we have selected. You could also navigate through style and you could use something like tree strong, tree slim, organic, or hybrid. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.